Siberia might be a byword for freezing, but today it's a sweaty 41 degrees Celsius and families are out on the beach.
Вау! Это Сибирь.
Как хорошо было, в принципе, вообще. Так резко бывает, да? Че так резко? Так пошел.
Ни хрена себе. Ни хрена себе.
Быстрее, 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 быстрее,
Охренеть. Знаешь, мы его нашли.
A wall of cold Arctic air came down from the north, colliding with the warm front the beachgoers were enjoying. As the warm air is thrust upwards, it rapidly cools, condenses, and makes storm clouds. Raindrops in those clouds are swept upwards into extremely cold areas of the atmosphere, where they freeze into balls of ice. As they drop back to Earth, strong updrafts pull them back into the stratosphere, where more water freezes to them. The stronger the updrafts, the longer the hail is churned around, and the bigger it gets. You can tell how strong these winds are by the size of the hail. Pea-sized means the updrafts are 32 kilometers an hour. For golf ball-sized hail like here, they need to have been 88 kilometers an hour.